Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You're starting by getting the essentials out of the way. Sign into your Xbox and confirm system updates. Once done, press the Xbox button to open the guide and head straight to Profile and System. This is where personalization lives. Make sure your console is connected to the network so themes and images download. If you intend to move apps or change storage preferences, plug in a USB or external drive now. This puts you in the exact place to begin customizing the home layout. Now you'll reshape the home layout to match how you play. You can pin favorite titles and apps, then move them into priority positions. Highlight a tile, press Menu, and choose Move or Unpin to reorganize rows. Use collections to group similar games or apps, which keeps that center row tidy and easy to access. Make sure to test navigation with the controller so your thumbs land where you expect. This step gives you a functional, personalized front page that surfaces what matters most. Finish by changing the look and small behavior tweaks to make the home screen yours. Go to Settings, then Personalization to set a background image, upload one from USB, or pick My Background options. Adjust accent color, transparency, and tile size where available. Once configured, restart the console to ensure settings persist and test navigation again. If something goes wrong, like missing images or pin failures, clear the local saved cache in storage or check for pending system updates before reapplying changes. That resolves most issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.